Across Pittsburgh and southwestern Pennsylvania, people are standing up. They are standing up against intolerance, prejudice, and bigotry. People are standing up against hate. On September 27th through the 29th, Pittsburgh will host the Eradicate Hate Global Summit, the world's most comprehensive anti-hate conference. This year, we are organizing a special activity during the second day of the summit, focusing on high school students in Allegheny County, because we know how important it is to engage young people in this work. Students and their chaperones will view the documentary Repairing the World: Stories from the Tree of Life. They will then hear from a few schools in the region regarding the work they are doing to combat hate in their own communities. Participants will then engage in a design sprint regarding what they might do back in their own schools to combat hate, and then share those ideas with other schools who are in attendance. Schools can send up to 10 students and 2 adults for the event, which will occur on Thursday, September 28th at the David L. Lawrence Convention Center. The session will begin at 9:30 a.m. and end at 1:30 p.m., and lunch will be provided. There is no cost to attend, but schools will need to provide transportation. Registration information will be shared via email, and the event will be capped at 200 participants. We would love to see students and schools from across the county participate in this event and show the power and resolve of young people when it comes to combating hate. Because together, we can eradicate hate.